we all miss Liz them boy. Anybody used to know Eggies, famous Eggies on the beach? That's the only thing that left us have Eggies. Then two look up big there. That's all left for Eggie. Oh God, look at. Two of the grave them gone. So one of them is saying at the creek. And all 5 of those graves used to be right here. Look at Treasure Beach. Nothing left down in Treasure Beach down here. All these guest houses used to be way over in the sun over here. The beach used to be way out here. And look at it now. Treasure Beach done to blood clot. Wreck. And this is just